Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to save any tab groups in Chrome web browser for computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open Chrome web browser on your respective computer, and firstly let us create our tab groups. So how to create a tab groups? So just put your mouse cursor on the respective tabs and just right mouse click, and now you will see here add tab to new group. Just click on it, and now you can give a name for this group. So I'll just give a tutorials. You can select the respective colors also, whichever color you want to choose, and now your tab is being created. You can create multiple tabs also. So if we right mouse click on this tutorials, there is no save option below here, right? So how you can get a save options for this respective tab groups? So for this, what you need to do is on the address bar just type this chrome://flex. Just type this command and just hit enter, and now you will see the experimental page. Now on the search box, just search for tab groups save. So you can see here you need to search this option, tab groups save, and now just click on this down arrow and just click on this enable. Now let us relaunch. Now let us move back to this tab groups. So now just right mouse click on this tab group name, and now you can see below save group. Just enable it. Now it will get saved on the bookmark toolbar of your Chrome web browser. So using these tricks, you can easily save any tab groups in Chrome web browser for computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks on how to save any tab groups in Chrome web browser for computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.